So Kelly here again with Reviewing Virtuously. Thanks again for tuning in. And today I'm going to share with you the Zoppen 6-piece packing cube set. Now what I do love about the packing cubes is when I go on vacation, I kind of want to just get to the fun. I do not feel like packing and unpacking all these different articles of clothing. So what I enjoy about these is I can just take them right out of the luggage, throw them right in the drawer, and be on my merry way for fun. That's a vacation. Okay, so looking a little closer at the packing cubes, they are waterproof. They're very durable. It looks like they're a double reinforced stitch right around where the zipper is. And also, they're double reinforced where the mesh fabric is as well. I don't know if you can see that so well. But I also like how it's meshed so that when you have your clothes in there, they don't build up a mildew. Sometimes they get that musty smell to them. So this will keep them nice and ventilated. The waterproof, well, I don't plan on throwing my luggage in the water, but hey, you never know what's going to happen. We have the nice little logo right here, and we have handles, which is wonderful. What I like about these is they're also collapsible, so once you get your clothes out of them, they're going to fold down really nice and neat and not take up space in your luggage, because now your luggage has been transferred over to your laundry bag. Or I might even use some of these as my laundry bag too if I need to distribute evenly in my suitcase on the way home. So I just grabbed one of the medium-sized packing cubes. I want to throw a few shirts in there and just see how it packs. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 shirts. And you know what? I could probably fit 5 more if I was lucky enough to go away on that long of a trip. But yeah, look at all the extra space. These are basic t-shirts, so you can just get an idea on how much can fit in there. And I would just take this and I would throw it directly into my luggage right here. I have a small, kind of a mid-size carry-on bag here, so you can just kind of see how it fits in. My bag is a little deep, so I can actually stack some of the luggage pieces on top of each other. Okay, so I just went and grabbed a couple of sweaters. I just want to see how well they fit in the packing cube. This is still the medium size that has the other shirts in it. Like I said, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 t-shirts. Let's see how these sweaters fit in here. 2 sweaters. Good to know. Oh yes, I like that. Look at that. And it's deep enough to handle both sweaters as well. So I just wanted to get an idea of how many jeans could fit into the larger Zoppen packing cube. The size of this one is 17.5 inches wide by 12.75 inches long, and the depth is 4 inches. So let's get an idea on what can fit in here. Let's see, we have 1, 2. Gee, I hope I get to go away long enough to carry this many pairs of jeans with me. 3. Okay, I can still fit them side by side. I'm about a size 12 to 14 in jeans, just to give you an idea. My goal is to be an 8 or a 10, but right now I'm going to be realistic. So what are we at? 5, 6 pair. I would say that's a good comfortable fit right there for 6 pair of jeans. I could actually fit some more, but like I said, if I'm lucky enough to go away for long enough to carry 6 pair of jeans with me, I'm good with a little extra space in my cube. Very nice. Zips pretty easy. And there it is. That's the larger cube holding 6 pair of jeans. And here's my medium-sized cube again. Good call. I look very forward to using these packing cubes on my next trip. They're well made. Looks like they're durable, waterproof fabric, double reinforced. They have a carrying handle and mesh fabric so that your clothes stay fresh. If you'd like to purchase this on Amazon, I will have the link to this down below in the description. So this is the Zoppen 6-piece packing cube set. Again, we have 2 of these medium sizes. We've got 1 slim size, 2 smalls, that's the second medium size, and we have a larger size. And then the bonus that came with that are the 2 laundry bags. Very, very happy to have that bonus. Very handy when you're traveling to always carry a laundry bag with you.